Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Apa khabar anak-anak 5 Dynamic? Okay, so today we are going to continue our syllabus with the chapter 5. Okay, the title of the chapter 5 is Response in Plants. Okay, so in this topic, there is a 3 subtopic. Okay, first, type of response, and then number 2, phytohormone, and number 3, application of phytohormones in agriculture. Okay, for today, we are going to cover 5.1, which is type of response. Okay, let's go to the learning standards. Okay, learning standard that you have to cover for today. So today, today's subtopic, you are able to, okay, first, describe types of plant response, okay, which are divided into 2 types. First is tropism, and second one is nastic. Right? Okay, so these are learning standards that you have to cover for today. Okay, so type of response can be divided into 2 types. Okay, first is tropism, second one is nastic. Okay, so in tropism, there are 5 tropism, yeah, that you have to remember. First is Thigmotropism. Okay, and then Geotropism, and then Hydrotropism, Phototropism, and Chemotropism. Okay, what about the Nastic? Nastic also got 5 types of the Nastic movement. Okay, first is Photonasty, Seismonasty, Nyctinasty, Thermonasty, Thigmonasty. Okay, and then later I will explain one by one. Okay, let's go to the tropism response first. Okay, first type of the response, which is tropism. Okay, what do you mean by tropism response? Yeah? Okay, the response of certain part of plant, especially roots and shoot, towards or away from a stimulus. Okay, dia merujuk kepada gerak balas akar dan juga pucuk. Ya, towards, ke arah ataupun menjauhi stimulus. Right, towards or away from the stimulus. Okay, what are the characteristics of the tropism? Okay, first, the response is permanent. Yeah, permanent and influenced by plant hormones. Okay, and then the response is slow and not apparent. What do you mean by apparent? Apparent adalah obvious ataupun ketara. Ya, maksudnya di sini gerak balasnya adalah perlahan dan tidak ketara. Okay, then the response direction is dependent on the direction of the stimulus. Okay, arah gerak balasnya adalah bergantung kepada arah rangsangan. Yeah, means it is directional. Ya, dia akan bergerak ke arah ataupun menjauhi stimulus. So in the tropisms, there are 2 types of the tropism. Positive tropism, which is referred to the growth towards direction of the stimulus, and then negative tropism, which is growth away, yeah, away from the stimulus. Negative, growth away, yeah, away from the stimulus. Positive, towards the stimulus. Okay, so we go first to the first type of the tropism, which is Thigmotropism. Okay, Thigmo refer to the touch. Thigmo, okay, remember it is touch. Okay, the plant responds to touch. Okay, dia bergerak balas kepada sentuhan. Yeah, especially tendrils. Okay, so these are referred to the tendrils. Yeah, tendrils. So tendrils of the plant show positive thigmotropism. Yeah, show positive thigmotropism. Apa maksudnya di sini? Tendril menunjukkan thigmotropism positive. Okay, why? Because it is the tendrils coiling around an object. Yeah, the response is towards the stimulus. Okay, what are the stimulus here? it is touch. Yeah, touch, right? Okay, so they're coiling an object which is wooden stick. For what? For support. Okay, that is Thigmo. And then we go to the Geotropism. Geotropism refers to the gravity. The plant responds to the gravity. So should show negative geotropism. Why negative? Because should grow away from the gravity. And root show positive geotropism because a root grow towards the gravity. So these are examples of the positive geotropism, and this one refers to the should, which is show negative geotropism. And then hydrotropism. So hydrotropism, the plant responds to the water. Yeah, roots show positive hydrotropism. Yeah, what about the shoot? Shoot show negative hydrotropism. Okay, so as we can see from the diagram here, this is referred to the moist soil and this one referred to the dry soil. Okay, so what happened? The root grow straight, yeah, towards, okay, because the soil is moist, water is everywhere, so they can grow straight. And then the dry soil, so the roots grow towards the water. So the root will find the water and grow towards the water. So the root show positive hydrotropism. Okay, phototropism. Photo means light. Yeah, so the plant responds to light. Okay, so as we can see here, so this is referred to the window, this is referred to the shoot. So what happened to the shoot? Shoot grow towards sunlight. Yeah, and the shoot show positive phototropism. Grow towards light. What about a root? Root will show negative phototropism because it grow away from the light. And then chemo. Okay, chemo means chemical substance. Yeah, chemical substance. Chemo. Yeah, so the plant responds to the chemical substance. Yeah, to the chemical. Especially when we do fertilization. Yeah, bila kita membuat pembajaan, bila kita letakkan fertilizer on the soil. Yeah. Okay, the root show negative chemotropism. Yeah, it will grow away from the chemical substance, especially poison. Yeah, okay. So the root will show negative chemotropism, which is grow away from the poison. And the root show positive chemotropism, which is grow towards mineral salt. Yeah, mineral salt is come from the fertilizer. Okay, we go to the Nastic, second type of the response, which is Nastic Response. Yeah, Nastic Response refers to the Nastic movement. Yeah, Nastic movement are non-directional response to stimulus. Yeah, or to stimuli. So non-directional. Yeah, gerak balas Nastic ini merujuk kepada non-directional response. Yeah, gerak balas yang tidak non-direction. Yeah, dia tidak bergerak sama ada move, it will not move towards or it will not move away from the stimulus. Okay, it will come from the any direction. Okay, next we go to the characteristics of the Nastic response. Okay, not all Nastic response are growth response. Yeah, not all. And then this response is quicker and more apparent compared to the tropism response. Ya, quicker. Gerak balasnya adalah lebih cepat dan obvious, ketara. Some Nastic movements response are intended for survival. Ya, untuk survival. So there are 5 types of the Nastic movement here. Okay, first is Photonasty. Photo means light. So the plant responds to light. Okay, and then number 2, Seismonasty. Seismo, yeah, refer to the mechanical stimulus. Okay, the plant responds to mechanical stimulus, whether shock, touch, wind, or raindrops. Okay, and then Nyctinasty, a circadian rhythm that responds towards the onset of the darkness. Okay, so ini merujuk kepada gerak balas kepada kegelapan. Ya, okey, kegelapan. Biasanya pada waktu petang, cahaya sudah mula hilang, ya, sunlight, okey, dia akan mula terbenam, and then gelap. Bila kegelapan berlaku, what happen to the plant? The plant sometimes it will fold the leaf. Alright, that is Nastic. Thermonasty. Thermo refer to the temperature. Yeah, temperature or heat. Yeah, the plant respond towards changes in the temperature. And then Thigmo. Thigmo refer to the towards vibration. Yeah, the plant responds towards vibration. Okay, so this one example of the Photonasty. The plant responds towards light. Okay, and this one is Seismonasty. Yeah, the plant responds to the touch, shock, yeah, raindrops. Okay, and then so what happened here before, after touch, what happened to the leaf? Dia akan fold. Right, that is Seismonasty. Response of plant towards touch, raindrops, yeah, wind. Right. Okay, then we go to the Nasty. Nasty refer to the circadian rhythm that respond towards the onset of the darkness. Ya, pada hari yang gelap, so apa jadi pada tumbuhan ini? Daunnya akan mengucuk. Ya, daunnya akan tertutup sendiri. Ya. Okay, that is Nasty. Okay, then Thermonasty refer to the changes. Ya, response that occur when the temperature is changes. Yeah, okay, temperature is changes. So for example, tulip, in the morning there is a low temperature. Alright, and then in the afternoon when there is a high temperature, so the tulip will open. Yeah, pokok bunga tulip tu akan terbuka pada waktu tengah hari. Kenapa? Because of the temperature is higher at that time. Okay, last one. Thigmotropism. Response towards the vibration. Okay, refer to this plant. Yeah, so what is this plant? Okay, you can see in the textbook there. So this plant will fold, yeah, will fold and then will trap the insect. When it responds to the vibration of the insect. Alright, okay, that is Thigmotropism. Okay, so that's all for today's class. So please read again and again about the type of the tropism and the characteristics, and also the type of the nastic and also the characteristic of the nastic. So make sure you can differentiate between two types of the response. Okay, what are they? Tropism and nastic movement. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you very much.